AMD just dropped a tech bomb that's sending shockwaves through the PC world. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. In its Financial Analyst Day, AMD teased the next wave of CPUs, GPUs, and AI tech, and it's looking like the red team isn't slowing down anytime soon. First up, Zen 6 is coming next year, with AMD calling the desktop version Olympic Ridge and the mobile Ryzen edition Medusa Point. The company is also cooking up Zen 6C on the side, claiming it will be the world's first 2 NM CPU design. You can expect faster AI support, more AI pipelines, and smarter processing, but don't look out for core or clock details yet. Zen 7 is slated for a post-2026 release, most likely 2028, and will bring a new Matrix engine, along with even bigger AL capabilities. Graphics fans aren't left out either. AMD said its RX 9000 GPUs will come with next-level AI features, optimized pipelines, and sharper ray tracing. The RDNA 5 UDNA 1 design is expected in late 2026 with even more AI tricks and mind-blowing visuals. No hard specs yet, but enough to keep the fans buzzing. And there's more. AMD is working hard on its neural processing unit, NPU. You will be running heavy AI tasks locally without needing cloud servers. This could be a game changer for gamers, creators, and AI developers alike. From lightning-fast CPUs to AI-powered GPUs and NPUs, AMD is doubling down on smarts, speed, and power. They are clearly challenging Intel and NVIDIA at every turn, and tech fans have a lot to look forward to in the next few years. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Don't forget to like and comment on this video as well.